This is the Thinkware U1000 dashcam, and the company claims it'll give you crystal clear 4K protection for both front and rear, even when parked. But after logging miles and dark nights, I discovered a few things they don't tell you in the ads. So, is this flagship actually worth your hard-earned money, or is it just another high-resolution gimmick? Stick around, I'll give you the verdict. Thinkware U1000 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Thinkware U1000 is Thinkware's top-tier dual-channel dashcam, released around late 2019, early 2020. It's designed for road warriors, car owners who want premium protection, and people who care about detail, license plates at night, parking surveillance, that sort of thing. Its key selling point? A 4K UHD front camera, 30 FPS, plus a rear camera that shoots in 2K QHD. Think maximum front clarity plus strong rear coverage. It's priced at the higher end of the dashcam market. This isn't an impulse buy for everybody. Thinkware U1000 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? I've been testing the U1000 when driving in bright daylight, at dusk, night, in rain, and over bumpy roads. The front 4K footage is impressive. Road signs and distant license plates are often legible, even in harsh sun. At night, Thinkware's Super Night Vision 2.0 helps. It tames a lot of brightness issues, though noise does creep in under very low light. The rear 2K camera is probably the U1000's standout move. Most dual-channel dashcams at this price use a 1080p rear, so having 2K means when something happens behind you, you've got better detail. But it requires a clean rear windshield, and you'll notice some distortion or blur in rainy or very low-light conditions. In parking mode, it holds up well. Motion detection plus impact detection works, and with an optional radar sensor added on, it conserves power while still waking up for real incidents. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the U1000 special, features that might actually matter. 4K front plus 2K rear. What it is: ultra-high resolution front, QHD rear. Why you care? If someone rear-ends you, you'll have a much better chance of reading their plate. And during the day, the front view is super crisp. Super Night Vision 2.0 and WDR/HDR tech. What it is? Better low-light sensors, wide dynamic range so the camera can handle dark shadow plus bright light in the same frame. Why you care? Night driving plus sunrise/sunset equals tough lighting. This tech makes the difference between useless blurry blobs or actual usable evidence. Parking mode plus optional radar module add-on. What it is: when your car is parked, the cam uses motion or impact detection or radar to wake up and record, capturing both before and after the event. Energy-saving mode helps conserve power. Why you care? Perfect for protecting your car in parking lots, street parking, or if you're worried about vandalism or hidden runs. Design and build. Aesthetically, Thinkware knocked it out of the park in some ways. The U1000 is low profile, no big screen to distract, it mounts close to the windshield, pretty discreet. The front module has a solid build with a swivel mount so you can adjust angle even with steep windshields. The rear cam is cylinder-shaped with 360-degree rotation, which gives you flexibility. Materials feel premium. Things like the adhesive mount, the hard wiring kit, etc. are all good quality. But there are trade-offs. Running the long rear camera cable through interior panels takes time, or paying someone, and because the front is fairly large when factoring in extras, cables, radar, fitting neatly without it being obvious may require effort. Pros. Razor-sharp 4K front footage with 2K rear is a strong combo, rare in dual channel. Excellent low light performance, especially front, thanks to night vision/WDR tech. Very complete parking mode plus optional radar extension for motion and impact detection. Cloud features and alerts add value beyond just the camera. Cons. Huge file sizes and high storage demands, especially for 4K plus 2K. Rear camera drops quality in bad weather or very low light. Installation can be tedious, especially hiding the rear cable or adding radar. Final verdict. If you drive a lot, especially at night, or park your car on the street or in risky spots, the U1000 is a powerhouse. It gives you excellent evidence when you need it. Sharp front view, strong rear view, reliable parking mode, and cloud-based alert features. For someone who cares about protection and is willing to invest in good storage and installation, this is a solid flagship pick. On the other hand, if you mostly drive during daylight, seldom leave your car parked outdoors, or you're trying to save money, there are cheaper dash cams that'll do good enough for less. The extra clarity and features are fantastic, but they come at a cost.